This is it. Blizzard of 2018. And it's cold. It is really cold. The snow. Damn it. You know something? God almighty, look at this. Well, chickens, I haven't even got the eggs yet. I gotta go get them now. Hope they're not frozen. There's a lot of snow. Good thing we had the strong winds though, because the wind blew a lot of it off the roofs. Because we would have been in big trouble. Yep. Wind sure hell below. See, the wind just, we had 40, 50, 60 mile an hour winds. At one point there was 70 mile an hour winds. And it blew a lot off the roofs, which helped. Especially the chicken coop roof. A lot of it was protected by the pine trees. And also the wind. Well, still a lot collected up there. There's probably a good 1,000 pounds on that roof of snow. So there's a lot of weight there. And I even put a brace on the patio just in case. Because that's an awful lot of weight. That patio, if we got over a foot or more of snow, if that would have been the wind that blew the snow off the roof a foot, that would have been about 1,800 pounds, 1,750, 1,800 pounds in that roof. And that's, like I say, that's a lot of weight. And this particular roof is probably about, right now, it's probably about 800 pounds up there, 750 pounds, somewhere in that range if you do the calculations. So, it's all good. It's cold as hell. And I gotta get ready to feed the chickens. And make sure they eat well, because it's going to be cold tonight. And you can see the wind is humming right now. Yep. We got about 40 mile an hour winds right now. And with the cold, it's terrible. It's really, really bad. So, but you can hear it. Hear the winds. And everything is good. Feeling good. Doing a lot of shoveling today, but taking my time and just making it. The old body still got it, I guess. Still energy in the boiler. Yeah, I should say energy in the furnace. So it's good for me. Move that cholesterol around. Anyway, it's all good. All right. Have a good night, everybody. Like I say, this is the first blizzard of 2018, and it was a beauty. Not to mention the cold weather that we got ahead of us. So, anyway, we'll see how the girls are doing. Gotta go in there. Yeah, they're fine. See? They're fine. I'm gonna feed you girls, okay? All right? Hang on. I'm coming. They want to eat. Okay. Have a good night, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it.